Hey guys, my name is Sam, and today I have 6 free tools that you can use right now to take your stream to the next level. Let's go. Before we get started though, guys, and this will probably kill my retention, but it really needs to be said. I just wanted to say thank you for all of the love and support on the last video. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link down in the description below to go check it out. Honestly, it's been a crazy several months for me and my family, since we have just recently had a baby. On top of all that, my wife's health has been crazy over the past year and really started getting worse over the past few months since I last uploaded. But seeing how well that video has performed has been a huge confidence booster to me and has really helped me get through some of the harder times that my family and I have faced. But things are finally starting to calm down, and I should be back to making videos for you guys more often. So once again, guys, thank you so much. And if you could just take a moment, click the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up and ring the bell to get notified of future videos. It would really mean a lot to me. But with all that being said and out of the way, all the links to these tools will be in the description below. So let's get into the video. Just a quick disclaimer for you. I'm not sponsored by any of these sites, and I have not been paid by any of them, nor am I getting anything out of saying anything good about them. I legitimately like these tools, and I either use them now or I have used them in the past for my own personal content. Also, all of these tools can be used with both OBS and Streamlabs OBS. So you're welcome, Streamlabs people. The first tool that I have for you guys today is called beeple-crap. This site gives you access to some really cool widgets that you can use to increase the overall production value and interactivity of your stream. Some of my favorite widgets are, first off, the shout out overlay. This allows you to add a really cool shout out pop-up to your stream, and it really helps people feel special when you shout them out. It's super customizable and it's really easy to set up to match the aesthetic of your stream. Second is the now playing overlay. This is a really smooth and simple now playing widget that shows your stream the song that is currently playing on either your Spotify or your Pretzel Rock, depending on how you set it up. You can link it to either or. There are 3 different sizes, so there isn't really a problem fitting it where you want it to go. Some of you might have seen this one on a video put out by Harris Heller when he released Stream Beats. He actually worked with the owner of this site to make it free to use for everyone. So thank you, Harris. We appreciate you. And finally, the group overlay adds a simple pop-up widget to your stream that you can use to show off who you're playing with. And if they're streaming, you can actually generate a link where you can have all of the streams appear on one screen so that people can see what's going on from different perspectives. And it's just a fun way to highlight other people that you're streaming with. So if you commonly stream with a squad or something, definitely check this one out. I like to use this if I'm streaming with people who maybe aren't necessarily an affiliate yet. I can say, hey, follow this link. You can check out both streams, give them a follow, so on and so forth. It's really handy. And getting all of these things set up is super easy. Just click the Create New Overlay button in the top right corner, choose the overlay that you are wanting to add, then configure it according to what you want. After that, just go back a page, click the copy link button on the widget that you want to add, and drop it into your live stream as a browser source on either OBS or Streamlabs OBS, like I said. I will say there are some tools that are locked behind a premium subscription, and while I personally don't find these tools necessarily useful enough to justify paying a monthly fee, there are some cool tools that you guys might feel differently about. So definitely go check this one out. Again, that's beeple-crap. The next tool that I have is one that I've actually been absolutely jazzed about lately. It's called Clippy.tv. This is a great bit of software that is currently in beta testing, but it's just a super slick addition to your live stream. The big feature here that I like is the shout out feature. Basically, it allows you to add a shout out to your stream that plays a clip from that person's stream that you were shouting out. Super cool. What I love about it is how easy it is to set up, but most importantly, how minimal it is. It's just a simple gray box with some unobtrusive text and the clip front and center. And like I said, adding it to your stream is super easy. First thing you need to do is get registered for the beta. To do that, just scroll down to the bottom and link your Twitch account. Click the Twitter or Discord logo and then let them know that you would like to participate in the beta. After you are approved for the beta, you'll go to Clippy.tv and log in with your Twitch account if you're not already signed in. Then you'll go to the shoutout tab, copy this link here, and add that to your stream as a browser source. If you're successful, you should see this little pop-up here. After that, if you want to go in and edit the settings, you can do that by clicking the settings tab here and configuring the settings to your liking, including permissions, which is super important to set up, and then clicking save. On top of all that, you can also manage your clips on this site as well. This is a welcomed feature because of how easy and simple it is to go through your clips, download them, and use them for other things like TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Honestly, I hope lots of people go and check this one out because I would love to see this software really become something amazing. Number 3 on our list of Twitch tools is going to be Twitch.guru. Twitch.guru is one of these sites kind of like Pixel Chat that gives you different kinds of overlays that you can add to your stream. So you can have access to different tools like a talking TTS hand that you can set up with channel points. You can also get an award timer, magic 8-ball, but probably my favorite tool here is going to be the random clip player. The way you set it up is by clicking under free tools and typing in your channel name here, copying this link, and then just add it to your stream as a browser source. I like to use this on my Be Right Back screen because then it gives my viewers content to watch in the event that I need to step away for a moment. It really helps to keep chat engaged and you can keep people laughing, especially if you have some really great clips in there. Oh, snappers! Oh, snappers! Oh, snappers! Oh, snappers! Oh no! Oh no! I just wanted to see if you take damage. He also has some special tools for his subscribers. So if you want to subscribe to him, you can get a few more resources and some additional settings to configure things. But definitely check this one out, guys. Too many people are sleeping on this site. The next tool that I have for you is a little different from the other sites that we've talked about so far, but still can help to take your streaming content to the next level. Fairly Odd Streamers is a site that offers a slew of different resources that some people might not often think about. Things like links to brands that commonly sponsor streamers and content creators, links to graphics and overlays, information about DMCA, and some great recommendations that you can use for music to play on your stream. One of my favorite sections actually in all of this is the podcast section, where you can actually find some really great podcasts to listen to about streaming, how to grow your live stream, and news within the live streaming space. Like I said earlier, you can also find sections about graphics and overlays, streaming software, chat bots, Twitch extensions, analytics. You can check out some celebrity streamers, interviews with streamers about how they ended up rising to success. All in all, it's just kind of a great informative site. All in all, it's a great resource for smaller streamers who might be looking for maybe some sponsorships or just to find some different kinds of resources for their streams and streaming career. This next one is probably the least known resource for streamers out there, mostly because it really wasn't designed with streamers in mind. Beeple-crap, and yes, that is actually the name of the site, beeple-crap, is a website from an artist who actually has licensed all of his stuff under the Creative Commons license. Basically, he makes all of these super dope animations and just gives them all away for free for people to use in their different personal and commercial projects. The most important section here, though, is going to be the VJ Loops section. This is where you can download entire packages of just free animations that you can use for your live streams or YouTube videos. You could use these for like a trailer, like what I do, or you could just use them as a dope webcam background. And getting them all set up is extremely easy. Once you've found the video that you want to use, just click on the little white arrow right here, and it will either take you to YouTube or Vimeo. If it takes you to YouTube, you'll just click this link here next to download now, and then click the big blue download button here on MediaFire. If it brings you over to Vimeo, you'll just click this download button here, and then choose the resolution that you want to use. If you can, I would avoid the original file at all costs, since that file is usually going to be massive. I find that the HD 720p option is a great one for me, since I only stream in 720p anyways. After that, you'll just add a media source, choose your file, and you're off to the races. Beyond that, really the only limitation that you have is your own imagination. But I would definitely recommend this site to anyone that is wanting to add some visual flair to their live stream. And last but not least, we have kappamon.com. And this is actually one that I've seen kind of rising in popularity a bit more as people have been talking about it. So I really wanted to make sure that I kind of hop on that bandwagon before it rides off without me. Basically, this site has a ton of really cool stream pets that you can use to do a whole ton of different things. You can welcome people to your chat, They can dance, they can eat, they can sleep, they can react to different things that happen during your live stream, like alerts and subs and bits and follows and all that stuff. Overall, it's just a nice little feature to help your stream stand out and really help your community feel more welcome. I will say, while there are some free kappamon that you can get, so technically it does fall under the free tool category, most of them are going to be paid. However, you can see which ones are free and which ones are paid by looking for the blue flag here in the top left corner. But honestly, if this is something that you would like to use on your stream, it can really add a new dimension to how your stream and chat interact with each other. And it might even be worth a few bucks to some of you. I've seen a lot of VTubers use this on their stream to complement their personas that they have. It's really cool. And again, just adds that little just kiss of just perfection. And just like with a lot of the other tools, you just add it to your stream through a browser source. The link to do that can be found by going to your profile after you've unlocked your desired kappamon and clicking the link here. One final bonus free resource for you guys is this. Go ahead and click the subscribe, like, and notification buttons that are located just right here. Okay, clicking these buttons will notify you of new content that I put out to you. And the best part is they are 100% free to click. Also, if you want to talk about any of these simple things that you can do to help your live stream stand out, or even more advanced things like chatbot integrations, OBS plugins, and various other Twitch extensions and live streaming tools, come hang out on my live stream at twitch.tv/salta92. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the evenings. There will be a link down in the description below. But guys, that will do it for us today. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.